Every battle we face in life begins in the mind. Your thoughts shape your reality, defining how you perceive yourself and the world around you. To win the battle of the mind, you must first recognize the immense power your thoughts hold. By learning to control and direct them, you open the door to a new realm of possibilities and victories. The mind is like a garden. What you nurture and plant will grow. What seeds are you planting today? The mind is constantly active, generating thoughts, ideas, fears, and doubts. It's natural for the mind to wander, but letting it run unchecked can lead to a negative spiral. Understanding that the mind will face both good and bad days is crucial in preparing yourself for this battle. Be mindful of the highs and lows, knowing that every thought can be tamed and redirected towards positivity and purpose. Fear, self-doubt, insecurity, and negative self-talk are your enemies in this battle. They can be subtle, creeping into your consciousness without warning. It's important to identify these enemies early on. Learn to catch them before they grow, by questioning and challenging them. Are they based on truth, or are they mere illusions your mind has conjured? The ability to discern between the two is essential. A strong mind is not built overnight. It takes daily practice and discipline to create resilience. Like a muscle, the mind grows stronger with exercise. Read empowering books, meditate, practice gratitude, and surround yourself with positive influences. As you continue to strengthen your mind, you'll notice that the negative voices become quieter, and the positive ones louder. The conversations you have with yourself determine your level of confidence and success. It's not about silencing the negative entirely, but about amplifying the positive. When self-doubt creeps in, counter it with affirmations of truth. Tell yourself, I am capable. I am worthy. I am strong. Replacing negative dialogue with empowering self-talk is a powerful step in winning this battle. Your emotions are closely tied to your thoughts. When you experience fear or anxiety, your mind can amplify those feelings, creating an even bigger challenge. Mastering your emotions means learning to observe them without allowing them to dictate your actions. Understand that feelings are temporary, they will pass. Anchor your mind in positive thinking even when your emotions try to lead you astray. Often, the mind is preoccupied with the past or the future. Worrying about what has already happened or what might come creates unnecessary stress. The key to mental clarity is staying present. Focus on what you can control in the here and now. By grounding yourself in the present, you can make decisions that are proactive rather than reactive, which is critical in this battle. Your mind is like a sponge, absorbing everything from its environment. Be mindful of what you expose yourself to, be it media, relationships, or conversations. Negative influences can subtly infiltrate your thoughts and undermine your efforts. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. Curate your environment to support the mental battle you are fighting every day. Visualization is a potent tool in mastering your mind. By vividly imagining success, confidence, and positive outcomes, you create a mental blueprint that your mind can follow. The more you visualize winning, the more your subconscious mind aligns with that vision. Spend time each day picturing yourself overcoming challenges and achieving your goals. It programs your mind for success. Failure is an inevitable part of life, but it's not the end. In fact, it can be one of the greatest tools in the battle for your mind. Every failure is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine your approach and become stronger. The key is to reframe failure as feedback, not a reflection of your worth. When you do this, setbacks become stepping stones, and you build resilience along the way. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully aware of your thoughts and surroundings without judgment. It allows you to observe your thoughts without being swept away by them. When you are mindful, you can see which thoughts serve you and which do not. By cultivating mindfulness through meditation or deep breathing, you gain more control over your mental state, bringing calm and clarity into your life. Your habits shape your reality. If you want to win the battle of the mind, you must commit to positive daily habits that nurture mental strength. This might include journaling, exercising, practicing gratitude, or setting daily goals. These habits create a structure that supports your mental health, helping you stay focused and disciplined, even when the mind tries to pull you off course. Every moment presents a choice, to dwell on negative thoughts or to choose positive ones. You are not a victim of your mind. You have the power to decide which thoughts you will entertain and which you will discard. This realization is liberating. You can choose to focus on thoughts that uplift and inspire you, even when the mind tries to lead you elsewhere. The power of choice is always yours. Winning the battle of the mind is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey that requires patience and persistence. There will be days when it feels like you're losing ground, but those are the moments that build your inner strength. Stay persistent in your efforts, knowing that every small victory counts. Over time, you will see the transformation in your thinking, and the battle will become easier. A rigid mind breaks easily under pressure. To win the mental battle, you must cultivate flexibility. Be open to change, new ideas, and different perspectives. Flexibility allows you to adapt when life throws curveballs your way. It's not about being unyielding, but about bending without breaking. Mental flexibility is a key weapon in your arsenal, allowing you to navigate the complexities of life with ease. Finally, remember to celebrate every win, no matter how small. Winning the battle of the mind is a journey of incremental progress. Every time you overcome a negative thought or push past self-doubt, take a moment to acknowledge your victory. These celebrations reinforce your mental strength and motivate you to keep going. In the end, it's the consistent, small victories that lead to the ultimate triumph. By mastering the battle of the mind, you unlock a world of untapped potential, resilience, and inner peace. Keep fighting, keep growing, and never forget that the battle is won one thought at a time.